Hi, my name is Karan. I live in Saudi Arabia studying 10th grade in Yambo International School. Today our topic is average. What is average? Well, an average is basically equal to the mean, or it's a sum of quantities divided by number of quantities, and we can express this idea in a formula that says sum of n observation divided by n itself gives you the average of n observation. Okay, so here in this video we'll be talking, we'll take some easy examples. This is the reason why it's called type 1, and in total there are 5 types of questions, and as we move on to different types, the question gradually gets harder and harder each and every time. So let's go ahead and focus on type 1 first, and then we'll move on to type 2. So the first question says that suppose the temperature of 14 June is 40 Celsius and on 15 June it's 44 Celsius. If you are asked to find the average of these 2 days, you will do this as following. Now this is a model of how do you actually solve type 1 examples. So on June 14, you have your temperature to be 40 Celsius, and on 15 June you have the temperature of 44 Celsius. Okay, now since we are doing the sum of n observation, and total there are how many observations? Well, there is 1 observation and there's 2 observations, so we divide it by 2. So when we add up 40 plus 44, we get 84. And when we have 84 divided by 2, we know that 2 goes into 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So it'd be 42 degrees Celsius. Okay, now 42 degrees Celsius would be the average of this the temperature of these 2 days that were given in the question. So now that we know how to solve the problem, let's go ahead and solve our first question. Now the first question, as you guys can see on the screen, it says a man spent $10 on first day, $15 on the second, $30 on the third, and $5 on the fourth day. Find the average money that he spent in this 4 days. Now you see the quantity is getting bigger, but the idea is not changing. So even if you have 4 quantities, you basically divide by number of quantities, which is 4. So on the first day, it says he spent $10. On the second, he spent $15. On the third, he spent $30. And on the fourth, he spent $5. Now how many quantities? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you basically divide by 4. And when you add up this and divide by 4, you will get your answer to be $15. Now 15 would be average money that the man spent in this 4 days. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to our second example now. Now the second example tells us that in a family there are 5 members. The age of father is 42 years old. The mother is 38 years old. And the sum of 3 children is 80 years. Find the average age of the family. So the key idea here is to understand the sum of 3 children, okay? Because many people would make a mistake on it. You see how this is working. So the age of the father is given to us as 42. Easy. Age of mother is given to be 38. That's easy also. But the third part, it says the sum of 3 children is 80. Now sum of 3 children would basically mean x plus y plus z, because we don't know the age of each and every children. Because we have that, you would have 1 quantity here, 2 quantity here, and 3 quantity here. That means you have 3 plus 1 plus 1, which gives you 5. So you divide by 5. And this is the reason why you divide it by 5, because many people would make mistake by just dividing by 3, because there are 3 quantities. Okay, and when you add up and divide by 5, you would get your answer to be 32 years old. Is the average age of the family. Moving on to temperature type questions. So the average temperature of Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday was 40 degrees Celsius, and Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday it's 45 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Monday is 30 degrees Celsius. Find the temperature of Thursday. So here what we do is write down all the given information in order to find the average temperature, the temperature of Thursday. So you have total of Monday plus Tuesday plus Wednesday would be equal to the 30 times 4, which gives us 120. Okay? Because there's 30 degrees and then you have 4 over here, so you multiply it by 30 times 4. Now you have Tuesday plus Wednesday plus Thursday would be equal to 45 times 3, which gives you 135 degrees. Now what you do is that since you have Tuesday again and again, what you need to do is you have Monday left over and then you have Thursday left over. So what you need to do is Monday minus Thursday would give you 15 degrees. Okay? So then having that, you know the temperature on Monday would be 30 degrees minus Thursday. This would be minus 15, would be equal to minus 15. Then you subtract 30 on both sides. You get the temperature for negative Thursday would be equal to negative 45 degrees. Divide both sides by negative 1. Negative cancels out. The temperature for Thursday was 45 degrees. Okay? So this is the type 1 questions on average, and if you want to see the harder types of question on the same topic, please go ahead and watch my next video. There's annotation on the top over here, so I would recommend you to click that. Okay? Thanks for watching.